Good day, Brent from CCPR here, and we have a HP 9020 machine that's giving Carriage jam. This is a demonstration video because I already have the solution and kind of rectified it. It's our old machine that I just want to show you. If it is that you ever getting Carriage jam, it could either be some of these cartridges may have popped out and it locked the print head in the corner here, or it could be a damaged gear, as I'll show you at the end of this video. If it is that you need to get this print head out, because it is in a locked position, because the cleaning station is all the way out here, it is locked the print head in a position that it can't move until the gear is turned. If the cartridge is blocking it from being able to pull it back, which is the cleaning station, or the gear has been damaged or broken, then it will lock in place. So what you could do, open the machine in a way that you can access any one of those gears on the side there. So any one of these gears here, right, you could either use a screwdriver or your hands and just get your fingers on one of them and rotate them forward like this, and you keep rotating it. You'll have to guesstimate in a sense, and after rotating it long enough, you'll hear like it's clicking because you're moving the entire shaft here that is connected to the cleaning station. Once it is that it reaches a certain point, the cleaning station is all the way back, you could pull this across and it will wedge. You see it's still locked, so I'll keep turning. Oops. We'll keep turning until it's out of its position and you'll get across. Right, the cleaning station will be all the way back, and this usually is the issue. If the cartridge is out, you just pull it out when you reach about here, and if it is that is the gear, then you use a screwdriver or something, some object that is flat, and try to prise it out. Right, when you prise it out, the gear might either be broken, or you can see in this case chipped 3 of the teeth, so it can't make the full revolution properly so that the head could move. So that is why the carriage jam may happen. This is just one of the instances. This does not mean that this would be the surefire way that would solve your problem, but then usually in the 9000 series office jets, this is a common issue. Sometimes they get it in the 7740. You could get these gears on Amazon or eBay. Just look for your series and look for the gear itself. I'll put a link in the description as well. And to get it in, you have to line up this. You see how I have a flat piece on top and below? It'll line it up with, you'll have a flat piece on either side, a smooth flat piece on either side of this shaft, and you'll have to put it in place to be even. I'm gonna zoom back out a little bit. So I'll put it, line it up in a way that it will be on either side. This is a little bit difficult to do with one hand, but you get it in the space here so that you could get it right lined up like that. Then you're using a flat object, like a screwdriver, and you'll get it to line up. Yeah, it'll be a little bit tricky, but eventually you'll get to line up. And I keep pressing it. So that it will get into place. I might be able to do it in the video here exactly, but once it is in place, it will line up with this gear here, and it should be back in a gear. Literally. So that's it. Thanks for watching. That's if you get carriage jam error, yeah, most likely might be a gear or a cartridge blocking the path that might pop out, or it could be other things, but these are the two major things that cause that problem. So that's it. Thanks for watching.